Muthenya umwe thutha wa kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia muthingi gutangatha kurugamia mugomo uria marabangite kwambiriria muthenya wa umuthi, arutwo aingi ni macokereirie thukuru-ini itiganite niguo kwambiriria mathomo ma tamu ya gatatu. Akiaria hindi ya guthurima mehariria ma thukuru itiganite, Minista wa Githomo Julius MIGOS nianiriire mehariria mothe megie mathomo ma tamu ya gatatu ni marikiriru thukuru-ini ciothe cia muthingi.
The government disbursed 21.8 billion in capitation for primary, juniors and secondary schools. This money is now with the schools. We now expect that schools will resume operations smoothly and that learning will proceed without any disruptions. Thank you so much.
MIGOS augite thirikari ni ihaririirie gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo guku akigathiriria ikinya ria kiama kia arutani kia NAT kigie guteaniria mugomo wao.
The issues that are outstanding are issues that we've committed as a government that we will solve because they are genuine issues, but they do not require you to go on strike for us to be able to implement them.
Ona gukiri uguo, Minista NIORITIE kiama kia arutani gia KUPPET gwitikira kunina mugomo na metikire kwaraniria na kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani ya TSC agikinyiriria maingi ma maundu maria KUPPET ikoretwo igitetia mabatie gutuithanio ni TSC indi ti thirikari.
The government has demonstrated goodwill and readiness to address all the issues raised by them. We therefore see no reason for confrontation with that particular union.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari iri mihango-ini ya gukinyaniria waki wa irathi itanyiheire 7,500 iria ikahuthika gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo a grade 9. MIGOS akiuga kiumia-ini giki thirikari ni kurekereria muigana wa ciringi bilioni 7.5 iria ikuhuthika waki-ini ucio, akiranira waki ucio ni ugukorwo rikireire gugikinyiria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu.
We are also working with the government to see how fast they can release the 3.4 billion that was to be in the CDF for purposes of a construction of another 3,500 classrooms.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, ahuri biacara na makiria endia a uniform ni makaite gutharara gwa biacara na kuga ti namba nene ya aciari ireyumiria, no na aria mareyumiria magakaya kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire.
Mugomo uratumaga wage kwibanga, wambe wibange ugerage kindu tondu ona kwagomo no kuri gomoko na mwana no ari thoma na kiria utarari muguru no kinya ugure.
Riu kiugo kiu kia mugomo ri githukagia maundu maingi muno tondu kuringana na cukuru ya coko no kahinda kanini, riu mundu wina uhinyiririku wa mbeca ona kuriha school fees yo no murigo.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.